Buy XRP with PayPal. Buying XRP with PayPal is a convenient option for investors who prefer using their PayPal balance for cryptocurrency purchases. Although not all exchanges support PayPal, several platforms and methods allow you to buy XRP using this payment method securely. 1. Platforms that allow buying XRP with PayPal. eToro supports direct XRP purchases with PayPal for verified users. BitPay enables crypto purchases including XRP using PayPal. Local Monero and P2P platforms, peer-to-peer marketplaces, where users may accept PayPal payments for XRP. 2. Steps to buy XRP with PayPal. Choose a platform. Select an exchange that supports PayPal payments. Create and verify your account. Complete KYC verification for security and compliance. Link PayPal to your account. Add PayPal as a payment method within the platform's settings. Deposit funds through PayPal. Transfer your desired amount from PayPal to the exchange wallet. Buy XRP. Place an order for XRP using your PayPal balance. Transfer XRP to a wallet. Move your tokens to a secure private wallet after purchase. 3. Benefits of buying XRP with PayPal. Fast transactions. PayPal payments are processed quickly compared to bank transfers. Secure payments. PayPal's buyer protection adds an extra layer of security. Convenient funding. Easily use your existing PayPal balance for crypto purchases. 4th, limitations and challenges. Limited exchange support. Not all major crypto exchanges support PayPal for buying XRP. Higher fees. PayPal transactions may have higher fees compared to bank transfers. Verification requirements. Most platforms require full KYC verification when using PayPal. 5. Best wallets to store XRP after purchase. Trust Wallet. Mobile wallet with XRP support. Ledger Nano S/X. Hardware wallets for secure offline storage. XUMM wallet. XRP-specific wallet with advanced features. 6. Fees to consider when using PayPal. Deposit fees. PayPal transactions may incur deposit fees on some exchanges. Trading fees. Exchanges charge a percentage for each XRP trade. Withdrawal fees. Transferring XRP to an external wallet may include network fees. 7. Things to check before buying. Exchange reputation. Use trusted platforms with good reviews. Fee structure. Compare fees for PayPal deposits and XRP trades. Legal and regulatory status. Ensure PayPal and XRP transactions are legal in your region. 8. Alternatives to buying XRP with PayPal. Bank transfers. Often lower fees though slower. Credit card, debit cards. Available on most exchanges but with higher transaction fees. Crypto-to-crypto trades. Use Bitcoin or Ethereum to buy XRP directly. Buying XRP with PayPal offers convenience and speed, but it's essential to consider fees, platform support, and secure storage. Choose a reputable exchange, verify your account, and safeguard your XRP in a secure wallet for the best experience.